Happy morning, happy afternoon, and happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. Are you all writing one group in Jan 2026, either group 1 or group 2? I have the perfect plan for you all. If you already don't have a plan for yourself, if you've not already made one, you can use this perfect plan if you're writing one of the groups in Jan 2026, guys. Now, I want to start off with the number of days which is available in our hand. We have October, November, and December. 3 months, that means approximately 90 days is what we have in our hand. That means we can do wonders with these 90 days. I don't want you to go for shortcuts because we have 90 days in hand. I am telling this, guys. No shortcuts right now. Keep all your 60 percentage studying, only exam orientation studying, only expected question studying, all this in the last 15-20 days. You can do all of these things. Now with so much time in hand, your aim should be proper. That is the reason why I started here, because keep your mindset that you will study 100% of the syllabus and then go for the exam. Aim for 100%. If you land in 90%, I'm not going to ask any question. But if you aim for 60, 65% and all, that is not correct. So aim for the highest, guys. We have 90 days. Like I said, we can do wonders in these 90 days if we plan properly. Now for group 2, the total hours of lectures is 330 hours. For group 1, it is 470 hours. I will finish group 2 and similarly I will also tell you about group 1. Group 2, we have costing, we have Tabish sir, auditing and strategic management. I will be taking 150 marks, and for financial management we have A&M sir and Kaushik Mukesh sir. Both of them are true legends, guys. You can watch their demo lectures and decide who is comfortable for you. Your personal preference, you can select between A&M sir and Kaushik Mukesh sir. Now, this 330 hours for group 2, you have to complete in how many months? How many months, guys? I asked you a question. That means I want an answer for that. In 3 months? Who and all have told 3 months is not correct. Ideally, you have to complete the lectures in 2 whole months. I don't want you watching the lectures till your date of examination. In 2 months, ideally, you should be completing your entire lectures. Now we have the 2-month plan for the 330 hours. I've just done a basic math. Per month, you have to watch 165 hours of lecture. Now, I am not this person who's going to come and tell you, today you watch the costing lecture, today you watch the financial management lecture, today you watch my lectures, auditing lecture. Like that, I am not going to tell you. But all I'm going to tell you is every single day, you have to watch 5 to 6 hours of lectures. That is mandatory in this plan. Just 5 to 6 hours. The remaining hours in the day, you do whatever you want. You meet your Nanbas, Nanbis, or if you choose to revise whatever you saw in the lectures, you can do that. I leave it up to you. But compulsory 5 to 6 hours per day, you are going to spend with the faculty in front of the laptop. Now comes the real study plan. Every subject is split into 4 parts, guys. Part 1, 2, 3, 4, also called as grow schedule. That is, part 1 is G, part 2 is part R, part O, and part W. Every subject in the app, if you see, every subject, there will be 4 folders. It will be split into 4. Now, you will study costing part 1, auditing part 1, FMSM part 1, and all of these part 1s to be completed. You have approximately 15 days in hand. Don't worry, automatically if you study 5 to 6 hours per day, in this 15 days, you are going to complete the part 1. Now, what happens after part 1 is completed? We have to see whether part 1 is really completed. How will you see that? You have to test yourself to check whether part 1 is really completed. For that, you will be writing the 25% of the syllabus test for each of the subjects for 50 marks, guys. Trust me, only if you test yourself and then you move forward, you will also get the confidence. Yes, I have really studied. I can see it in the marks. How will I know whether you have really understood the subject or not? Only if you write the test will we be able to tell you these parts you are lacking. You need to understand better. The conceptual understanding is missing here. Like that, I will be able to tell you only if you test yourself. That is the reason why I'm asking you to write the 25% test for 50 marks after you finish part G of all the subjects. Now, when you're writing the test, I want you to aim for 30 plus in the 50 marks test. It is definitely possible, guys. Definitely possible. Don't think like how ma'am is asking me to get exemption in all the subjects. Why it is not possible? Especially when you're writing only part of the syllabus. Only 50 marks you are writing. It is definitely possible. I want you to aim for it. If you don't get, I'm not going to ask why you have not gotten and all of those things. But mindset is very important. I want you to aim for 30 plus out of the 50 marks. Very, very clear about that. Now, once you get the confidence after writing part 1, then you move to part 2. Same way, you're going to write the test for part 2 and then you're going to move to part 3 and 4, guys. Now, understood? Now, if you follow this as per our plan in the 2-month strategy, like I told you, you will be finishing the lectures by November 30th and you would have already finished 4 tests for each of the subjects as per our plan. By November 30th, you are completing the entire syllabus. Now, ma'am, are you asking me to sleep the entire December? No, I am asking you to write the remaining tests in December. The plan for December is the remaining test, that is 50% syllabus for 100 marks you will be writing, and then you'll go for your mock test. And ICA also will be conducting the mock test. You can plan to write ICA's mock test and all. I don't know previously whether you planned, previously whether you wrote, I don't know, I don't care also. Now in the future, I want you to plan for it. I want you to write ICA's mock and the remaining test here also, that is a 50% and 100% mock test. Now, if you are doing group 1, similar things apply to you also. But like I said, the number of hours for group 1 is a little high. So you will be spending 7 to 8 hours per day with the lectures. And for accounts and law, we have Karthik sir. For DT, we have Rahul sir, ANM sir and Kaushik Mukesh sir. And for IDT, we have ANM sir and Lijil sir. Now, all of them who are with us are true legends in their own subjects. But you have to watch the demo lectures and see whom you are comfortable with, and then you can choose your faculty for DT, IDT and financial management, guys. Trust me, once you finish all of these things, first of all, finishing the entire thing by November, that itself is going to be a game changer. And after that, writing so many tests, trust me, guys, the confidence you are going to achieve is truly, truly going to be a game changer strategy for you. When you enter the exam hall, you should know you are going to pass. And with this plan, you will know. It is a foolproof plan, like I told you. Now, if you want to purchase the Fusion subscription course, you can go to the CA classroom and see here 5999 for each of the groups. I'm just entering into group 2. Here you can select the faculty. Here please mention it as 2 months. Like I said, in our plan, 2 months is more than sufficient. 2 months you will be paying 5999. If you want, like I said, if you want to test yourself, you can add the Dira Bridge test. If you add it here as part of Fusion subscription, you will be paying 1500 extra. If you go to Dira Test website and purchase separately, you will be paying 2000 rupees, guys. That is the reason why I say, if you believe this schedule will work, if you believe writing tests will work, add it here itself along with the Fusion subscription when you are purchasing with Dira Test. If you want hard copy, you can add the hard copy. Otherwise, all the materials are available in the free resources. You can use the PDF as well. That's it, guys. From my side, I have given the plan. I have delivered the plan to you. Now the ball is in your court. The next 2 months, whether 5 to 6 hours for group 2 or 7 to 8 hours for group 1, whichever is applicable for you, if you are able to give that to me, then foolproof success for you is automatically given. There is no doubt about it. But now you have to take the initiative. Take the initiative, purchase the classes immediately. Don't waste any time. Start watching the lectures. Like I said, don't miss a single day, guys. Trust me, that routine has to be there. There is a beauty in routine, and the routine is going to do the magic for you. Get into that routine just 5 to 6 hours. Just 5 to 6 hours in the entire 24 hours I am asking. Just give that to me and trust me, the confidence that you're going to get, like I said, it is going to be a game changer, guys. Yes, all the very best. And if you want anything from my side, you can always ask me. I'm always available. And yes, guys, let's do it together. All the best, guys.